Hello everyone, nice to meet you. Good evening everybody. Most welcome and here is congratulations to my speaking video. And I'm optimistic that you are really so much great and I'm also so fine by the grace of omnipotent God. Yes, so dear, how are you doing at this time? I hope that you are busy with your practicing because you want to reach your top gallant place without any option. And I'm also trying hard and solo just for improving my speaking power because still now I'm not so perfect and I need a proficiency and fluency. For that purpose, I come here frequently with my new activity. So this time I'm cooking. That means I'm involved with making bread. Yes, and this bread size is not round, it's incorrect. But happy matter that it's made by me. So what? Its shape is not so right. It doesn't matter. Main matter is that I able to make this bread. Yes, and now it's processing, and after 1 or 2 minutes later, it will complete it. I'm sure. Another side, you uh, notice that here egg with the onion with the chili mixing, and after making this bread, I will give my focus on egg fry because in a dinner time I will take bread with egg fry, so that I involved with this cooking side. And now let me know about your expression, how you feeling at this time after watching my video. And dear, you know what? Every time when I when I upload one post, instantly um, my mind signal me that how will my collaborators expression. Actually, I really become so tensed after uploading my post, but I'm sure each of you are not as atrocious, rather so much helpful, so much fantastic, so much enthusiastic, so much knowledge hunger person, and that's why your mind always fresh and your activity just wonderful. So that I appreciated your each of behavior and appearance, and your each of works are just mind blowing. That's why I am so much protective. Yes, here I am protective, and you are also protective to me. Here is no any doubt. So this is a cooking time to me, although I carry my practicing. So here two work running together. Yes, dear, and it's really a great moment to me because right now I'm cooking. Besides, I able to continue my practicing. Wow, just great. So this a time. What kind of activity you carry? Just inform me quickly, and I extremely waiting for your answer. Because every time you guys gives me lots of support, so that I don't like absent from searching list and absent from without you. So I request you don't leave my side. Always stay with me, and most of you give me lots of support, inspiration, and love. Whatever you providing me nowadays. Okay, so thank you so much, and abundant thanks for your great attention and having patience in this time. And I'll see you later very very soon. Just waiting for my coming back. Till the time, um, be healthy, be safe, positive, be happy, and must be career practicing for your betterment. That is my expectation to my creator. And pray for me. Don't forget, keep me in your prayers. Okay, goodbye.